So many of you asked for this video. Many of my subscribers and viewers are in the US, and you've deleted TikTok and you want to know how to get TikTok back on your mobile phone. So if you're in the US and you've removed the TikTok app, or you've bought a new phone and you want to get TikTok on it, you can't actually get it from the App Store anymore. But I've managed to find an alternative method that's going to allow you to get TikTok back after deleting the app, and it only takes a few minutes. So I thought I'd create this tutorial and help you all out. All I ask is you hit the like button, subscribe, and just carefully follow all of the instructions in this tutorial. So you're going to want to open up the internet on your phone. So this is working on iPhone and Android, or just iOS devices if you're using iPad, for example. And you're going to want to go to this website, wavyplugin.com. So Wavy Plugin. Now this is a modded app store that I found. They have tons of plugins and applications on here. You need to go to the search bar here and search for TikTok. And you're looking for the TikTok bypass. Click to get TikTok USA bypass app for iOS and Android. Click on that, and this is going to basically load up, guys. I've already got the app on my phone, so I won't run through the full process, but you may have to do a device verification. But it is completely free, super simple. Just follow all of the instructions on the page that you see after it loads up, and that is going to get you the TikTok back on your phone after deleting the app, and it's super simple. So this is the easiest method that I found. If you have any other methods, leave them in the comment section below. The reason I like doing it this way is simply because it doesn't require a VPN. You can do this no matter where you are in the world, just using your standard phone and internet connection. So enjoy, guys, and if you have any questions, like I say, drop them in the comments, smash the like button, go to Wavy Plugin, search for the TikTok bypass app, and enjoy, guys. That is how to get TikTok on your phone.